Our next guests are Jim Sorensen and Bill Forster!
Jim loves me. Jim loves me. He loves me.
I hate E's. Bill's not too fond of R's either. Come on, you're fine. Thank you so much, UK, for having us. This is one of the best conventions I've ever been to, and I've been to several dozen, often as a guest, and occasionally I actually pay to get in instead of sneaking in. So, this has been lovely. Thank you.
As always, I'm following Jim, picking up after him. As I have the opportunity, it's something I always wanted to do, stand in front of a bunch of people and say, "Scream for me, Birmingham!" Thanks for having us.
Our next guest coming out, he does a lot of writing apparently. It's Simon Furman!
It's great to be back. Missed last year, did you miss me? More! It's really good to be back, and I'm looking forward to a great weekend, and I hope you're all going to be around for the script reading tonight, which I'm very excited about. So, yeah, great to be back and to see you all over the weekend. Right, so that's 10. 10, isn't it? That's 10 out. So that leaves 3 left. There we go, so we got it. So our next... Huh? Mary's confused now. She's like, no, yeah, that's me on stage as well.
Which one was the word my hands gone now?
Right, our next guest is responsible for like the Transformers animated. Who loves Transformers animated? It's Derek J. Wyatt! Our next guest, I'm actually kind of hurt because he still hasn't added me on Facebook yet, so I will be having words. Yeah, I really want his hat. I want to steal that too. But it's the man of a million voices. It's Scott McNeil.
Wow! I just flew in from Canada and boy, are my arms tired. You can all hit me for that one. Said later. The thing about England, old friend. There's a lot of English people over here, you know. Is it just me, or is it? No, I love it. You guys, thank you so much for bringing me out here. This has been so far an experience. And to the 8,222 people that bought me drinks last night, thank you. They all look so appetizing. What a weekend we shall have. Not yet, we're not. There's no point rushing this. Peter was bringing to happy to be here and see you.
Well, last and final guest. He's actually from my hometown, and he's my favourite pride. It's Gary John!
Thank you so very much. I can't tell you how excited I am to be out here to see you here in the largest Transformers convention in Europe. I say, man, that is really something. And seeing all your smiling faces out here and seeing all these wonderful guests, all I can say is, well, that's just pride.
That's some lineup right there, isn't it? That's awesome. Right, thank you to everyone again for attending. Thank you all our guests on the stage. And don't move, because very shortly, Mr. McNeil is going to be hosting one part of our charity auction.
My hand's going to be dead.
Right, so yes, thanks to everyone, but as I say, don't move. First part of the charity auction will start soon. Don't stop. But yes, have fun, everyone. Lots of stuff to sign, buy lots of toys, and more importantly, get drunk. One last thing as well before I disappear to the bar. Auto Assembly 2011. That was becoming soon, actually. Bookings are now open. 12th to 14th August 2011. Being held here at the Holiday Inn again. First two courses have been confirmed. It's going to be really seedy.
Long and hard.
Simon, you don't have to
I'll never look